My name is Sherry Campo, and I am the engineering professor. This is kind of a dream job for me. I never imagined that I would end up as an engineering professor. I loved my career with General Motors and then found teaching and have loved teaching and being a part of students' lives for quite a while now. Local industry, especially in this Elkhart, South Bend, Mishawaka area, and the RV industry in particular, has lots of technical needs. Our beautiful robot behind me was part of the LIFT grant. That is a local initiative, money that was donated so that we could train our students to better serve industry.
The robot is going to assist us in learning how to incorporate automation with human systems.
One of the important aspects of being able to try things in a lab, such as this one, the engineering lab, is learning how God has made you.
I find the prosthetics industry fascinating. I would love to design prosthetics, especially exterior arms, legs, hands, that sort of stuff.
We go on field trips, we play with things that are fairly simple, things that are a little more complex, like our robots, with the idea that we can uncover how God put them together.
My dad was an engineer, so I was like, I definitely think engineering is for my future. And later, as I got into high school, I go to church. I've been in church my whole life, and I recognized that engineering specifically was a calling that I had upon my life.
Engineers are always trying to make things better to help people out so things get done more efficiently.
My heart is for third world countries and these places that don't have infrastructure to help people get around and get where they need to be.
God calls us to help people, and I feel like I'm helping people and to a certain degree in life, pursuing my field.
Bethel has just added so much to my life, spiritually, emotionally, friendships that I don't think I would have ever made.
I see the knowledge that I'll gain in this class as helping me to be ready for the real workplace.
Yeah, I'm excited and I'm ready to start on the job learning and getting into it. It only goes up from here.